let's park your questions. Ito na yung pinaka-paborito kong part ng day 1. Okay? Guys, sino marunong kumanta? Kasama to tayo sa training. Na, sino marunong kumanta, guys? Wala? Okay. Kung walang marunong kumanta,
Wala po.
let's practice role play. Okay? Guys, ito na yung magiging trabaho nyo. Okay? So, sinong volunteer? Sana lalaki. Sino guys? Papaliwanag lang natin. Okay? So, before that, ganito. So, this is the opening spiel. Okay? Yan. Opening spiel. So, yung mga pwedeng sagot na makakausap nyo na leads, ito. Ang mga sagot nyo naman, ito. Okay? So, nakita nyo dyan, may numbering. I do have an agent. Pag yung sinabi nila, okay, so clarify mo. Okay, so you mean to say that you are in contract with your agent. Okay? Tapos, pag nasagot nyo, nasatisfy nyo yung tanong, diretso na kayo sa paragraph 4. Tapos, 6. Okay? So, pag sinabi niya na kapag hindi siya interesado, end call na siya. Okay? Guys, ano to? Naintindihan ko, just a bird's eye view lang. Okay? Gusto ko lang marinig yung delivery nyo ngayon. Or gusto namin marinig. Because we will digest and review our training. Okay? So, yun lang naman. Sinong pwedeng maging lead? Ako yung VA. Anyone? Wala. Okay, let's go Rose. Si Rose na lang siguro. Gusto ko marinig yung boses na Rose eh. Okay? Rose, just follow my lead na lang Okay? So, I'll be the VA. Tapos, pag tinanong kita dito, maghanap ka lang ng tanong dito. Or ng sagot. Okay? Tapos, depende ko doon. Dito yung sasagutin ko. Okay? Para lang makita nyo yung flow na magiging trabaho nyo. And again guys, to clarify, sinabi ko kanina, right off the bat, kung gusto nyo talaga ng trabaho na to, I challenge you. Okay? To be proactive, to challenge, or to invite your interviewer, be it an agency, or be it a client, to invite them to a role play. Kasi may script naman kami ibibigay sa inyo. Okay? Kasi bakit? Kahit wala kayong experience, pag nasatisfy nyo yung client nyo sa interview with your role play, tanggap na kayo nun. And that will give you competitive advantage. Kasi kayo lang gumawa nun eh. Yun yung best practice namin guys. Okay? Gawin nyo yun Okay. So, Rose. Are we good, Rose? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Hi, this is Hendrix of Venture Keller Williams Realty. I'm calling about your property at 1238 Monte Carlo Street and seeing that it came off the market last month. If I may ask, is that still for sale and do you have an agent that we need to talk to?
Where do you find my number?
Yes. So, my apologies. We got numbers from a third-party company called Lexis or Lexis, nothing in particular, if that makes sense.
Oh no.
Oh, okay. You see. Well, Rose, just to clarify, if I may ask, 2 weeks from now, if you find a qualified buyer for the right price, would you still be interested in selling the property?
Yes.
Okay. Well, Rose, the price of the property is at 520 grand. Is that something negotiable or are you firm in that?
That's not the no.
Okay. I see. Sounds good. But when the home sells for you, where are you planning to move next? Are you to downsize, relocate, or any plans? Commercial lang guys, pause. Tinatanong ko na kung ano yung magiging motivations niya. Diyan malalaman natin kung solid ba yung appointment or hindi. Okay? Yeah, so when the home sells for you, Rose, where are you planning to move next? Are you to downsize, relocate, or any plans?
I think I'm gonna buy a new property.
Oh, wow, great. When the time it was on the market, Rose, did you have some showings and offers?
None of this time.
Oh, I see. And what did the agent tell you why the house did not sell?
I think he didn't do anything.
Okay, I'm sorry to hear that, Rose. It normally depends actually on how the property is being marketed, so to attract qualified buyers. I'm working for Brian Salvador of Venture Keller Williams Realty, one of the top 5% agents in the local market. And the last property we sold was just a month ago, though most were saying that the market is not good since it's near holiday and most will wait till spring. In addition, we have approximately 20 buyers a month that are calling for specific properties. And since your property is not registered in MLS, we would like to drop by and preview the property. Would that works for you?
Yes, that's fine.
Oh, okay, I'll have my manager call it back ASAP. Is this the best number to call you back?
Yes, that's my only number.
Appreciate that, Rose. Thank you. Thank you, Rose. Okay. Guys, digest natin, okay? So, eto, tinatanong ko kung kasi 'di ba nagbigay sa akin yung client ko ng list ng software para tawagan. Maliwanag po doon. Nakalagay doon expired listing, okay? Pero hindi naman natin sasabihin expired listing. Meron dong jargon, okay? Ang tawag doon ay off the market. Ang sabi natin kanina, pag yung property ay if the listing agreement is in effect, nakalagay sa online ay active. Okay. Pero pag expired na siya, wala na yung kontrata, paso or void na siya, nakalagay doon off the market. Okay? So tinatawagan ko siya kasi binebenta pero hindi na benta. Maliwanag po doon, guys. Ibinebenta pero hindi na ibenta. So ngayon, ang sabi niya kanina, where do you find my number? Okay? So, yun. Sabi ko, nakuha ko yung number niya doon sa third party. These are actually initiated by clients. Kung ano yung mga isasagot niyo sa tanong, yan po yun. Okay? So, tapos, nag-probe ako. Okay? So, interesado pa ba siya? Yes, I'm still interested in selling. Tinanong ko, this is actually non-negotiable or irrelevant to irrelevant to. Basta gusto mo lang i-prolong yung tawag para magkaroon kayo ng connection, para maintindihan mo kung ano yung premise, okay? So, dito importante, motivation. So, ang sabi niya, I'll buy a new property. Okay? So, great. So, ganun lang. So, probe question pa rin. So, gusto ko malaman kung bakit hindi na ibenta nung previous agent yung property. Kasi bakit? Walang ginawang kahit ano. Ibig sabihin, hindi na market ng maayos. Tapos, sinabi ko ganun. Depende sa marketing. Okay? So, binabrand, parang pinopromote ko na yung kalahin ko. Okay? So, ganun. At bandang dulo, ito closing lang yung marketing strategies na yan. Pwede ba naman siyang hindi tapusin? Guys, yung just to clarify yung script na to, pwede siyang mas maikli. Depende dun sa pagkabisado mo na yung trabaho. Okay? Minsan 3 minutes, kaya ko makapag-set na ng appointment, mabilis na lang. Shortcut ko na lang. Okay? Yun lang. Tapos sabi ko dito, I'll have my manager call you back ASAP. This is the best number. Sino yung manager ko, guys? Any idea?
Yung client ko po.
Yun. Thank you. Appreciate that. That is the client that I'll be working with, or I'm working or I'm currently working. So nabubulol ako. Questions po. Maliwanag, guys?